Hi, welcome back. Welcome to day 3 of making an artist trading card a day 2020. So I'm going to use some painting magazine pages from my stash, and I found this image. I told you guys I'm purging, going through all my magazines, and I've been, I'm just trying to lighten my load. And I found this image, and I just thought it was just beautiful and really poignant for right now. So I hope you guys are all doing well. I am definitely trying to art it out. It has been an emotional few weeks for all of us, and in light of this pandemic and just all the things that are going on in our country, it's been I don't even know. I can't even describe how I've been feeling. So I'm definitely trying to art it out. I've been making some junk journals, and I hope to have those in my Etsy shop soon. Just out of this, all the cool things that I've collected. So in doing that, I have been harvesting magazines, and I found this image, and it came from a Texas Monthly magazine, and I love it. I loved the image. So yeah. And so the paper is the words are from a children's dictionary. As I mentioned, I've been making junk journals, so I've been using those in my junk journal making. I love children's dictionaries. First of all, the print is bolder. They often come with really cool illustrations as well, and I really like them. So the word for this card that was on my desk, as I told you guys in one of my other videos, I think I have like ADD. It just has to be in front of me for me to use it. And so when I was looking at the scraps to either decide to keep or let go, the word harbor was there. And art has been sort of my harbor, my safe place. And so I thought it was just really poignant for just everything I've been experiencing lately. So I did glue the magazine page down to the playing card. You don't need a playing card to make an ATC. You can make it out of anything that's 2.5 by 3.5. You can cut cardboard, paper, packaging, whatever it is that you really want to use. Now I'm using some watercolor pencils, and I'm going to paint. The only thing on painting on top of already painted magazine pages is you don't really want to get them really wet. I didn't use a permanent glue on the magazine paper down to the playing card. I just used one of those school glue sticks. So you do have to be a little more careful than say if you used an Uhu or an Elmer's Extreme. But I'm trying to, I'm focusing on using up my supplies and, purging my stuff. So I love the way it came out. Harbor is a safe place. I love you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful week. You're always in my thoughts and prayers. And as always, from my heart to your heart, I'm sending you so much aloha. Until next time.